Okay, it was a little bit too long. Yes, hi and welcome back and Happy New Year and stuff. And Andreas, what do you have for us?
This is a Swedish band that I played one track of before, quite a long time ago, I think. But this is a new track from the band Agent Sidegrinder.
Yes.
From Bromma in Stockholm.
Okay. Something more you want to add?
I don't know much about them. I know they are quite popular in Europe. They are, or just finished a tour, European tour. But that's as much as I know about this.
Okay. Let's check it out then.
Yeah.
And yeah, well, that I really liked. Actually, this was really good, I think. And I'm trying to remember the last track we listened to. I think it was a year ago exactly, and it was. And I know we listened to a track that called "Strip Down," I think, or I'm quite sure, but I can't really remember how that sound. But this track, I'm quite sure I don't gonna forget because this was really, really good. I think.
I was
I like this.
surprised. I was surprised too. This was, I mean, I didn't listen to this before. I just
Okay.
knew they had a new release, and I think this was great.
Yeah.
It was more punky, some kind of electro punkish.
Yeah, that had that sound. Robert.
Yeah, cool with something more up tempo, and it was kind of different than the type of electronic you used to play. Use. You get what I mean. I feel like this was way more cold and barren in its soundscape. It was way more 1980s Berlin rather than the full soundscapes of full tone synths and whatever. This was way more punk. And like you said, if they would have just switched the synth for a guitar or whatever, and it would be full out punk. So it was a cool song.
Yeah, I was surprised, and I really like it.
Yeah, me too. And is this from? Do you know if this is from a new album or upcoming or?
I don't know, probably, but this is the new release, and it might be for a new album. I just don't know.
Yeah, let's hope it is because this is something I want to check out more from in the future. And
yeah, me too.
I have to revisit the last track. I think Robert wasn't with us that time. The Strip Down, and compare them a little. Actually, because I can't remember they sounded like this at all. But yeah. I remember that video more than I remember that track. And so, yeah. Okay. Well, thank you and see you later. Bye-bye.